Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude. I am at a Walmart in Edmonton, which is Alberta, Canada, and so this one's very sad. It's just got these two figures, but you can see they used to have battle damage figures. So basically these, both battle damage. They had the sound strike assortment, and I'm not sure if that's the type that you control with your tail or the new ones with that kind of switch on the back or side. There's also the Battle to Survive, which is like the battle damage Rex, and they used to have attack pack assortment. And I think that's it, but you can see on the back there, let's see, so they have attack packs, pack assortment, battle damage, but we haven't seen any of those ever. So I wonder if this is an old thing. Sound strike. And they have the Rex. And I think that's it. Dang, that's pretty sucky. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed this little update, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.